Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're just we are going to grocery to buy something not very important, but I like something. I've been wanting to go out even earlier, but yeah, it's because a while ago it was not. I mean, the sun already gone by 3 o'clock, so I thought I will not see the sun. Like yesterday, I was here and the sun was really nice. I've seen the sunset. I made a time lapse of the sunset yesterday. Oh, there are so much people on there. They are fishing. Yeah, they are a family that are together. They are fishing together. Oh, beautiful! Look at that. The sun is setting down there, but there is one really nice looking cloud on that side. Yeah, nice. We're going to stay somewhere there. I was just here yesterday, so we'll be just here again today. And if you notice, I have a coffee here, so we're going to be relaxing here. So you can see the transformation that is happening now. The clouds is moving, and yeah, really nice looking. I noticed that the color is different. Here is red, but in the camera I see yellow. Hear that, but yeah, those are all the lorikeet. All these trees, there are so many lorikeet. They will be staying there for the night. Will be noisy like that the whole night. And yeah, so you notice that most of the shop here, they are already open. Like that restaurant, they are open now. I don't know if this hotel is open already. If they are open, maybe just the restaurant. Oh, look at that. There's dog. They live there. They were just going to buy something like a snack. I still have pasta. I still have tomato sauce. We're going to take one of this rice. Look at this. 20% off. Oh, look at the I will take this one. Not this one. This one is at $12.50. 5 kg of jasmine rice. I'm again going to take one of these sardines in olive oil. Maybe another one. Yeah, this one in tomato sauce. We are again in the crackers, and you know, I'm not going to take this anymore because this is really addictive. Yeah, I don't want anymore. I'm going to buy something like nuts instead, something like cashew nuts, but not this one because this one is salted. Yeah, there is another section on that side. They are selling like almost fresh, not fresh, but not salted. Oh, I forgot to switch off the lights. It's alright, it's already like this. Okay, we are home. It's already 5:45. And I'm going to watch the TV for the news. But at the moment, it's still Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? No, Millionaire Hot Seat. I'm just going to cook these sardines together with this frozen vegetable. And that is what I have. And I have this candle. Yeah, for the smell of the sardines. Yo, good morning guys. It's already 10:35. I'm preparing my breakfast. I had coffee this morning. Yeah, just coffee. Also, I already cooked the rice. And this is going to be my breakfast. This is the noodles that I cooked 2 days ago. I'm just going to reheat this. Not in the microwave. I want to reheat it here because I want to put some egg also. When I met you, girl, there was a place I know. I set out you in a pine to come, but was off inside. There was something going on. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart. You know, sometimes I am thinking that the neighbor can hear my singing. This is what I end up buying yesterday. These unsalted mixed nuts. So it comes with the hazelnut, almonds, peanuts, pistachio. Yeah, those four. Macadamia. Yeah, that's it. Peanuts, almonds, cashew nuts, macadamias, hazelnut, and pistachios. I don't want to buy any more of that prawn crackers that I always buy because it's really addictive. You always wanted to eat more. Yeah, and I think too much of that is not good. Yeah, it has been raining the whole day, and I was just on my computer. You know, computer is very important, especially these days. Yeah, so if you got your first salary, first income, or if you have money, yeah, you should buy a computer and learn things. Yeah, because the things that you're going to learn, you can use that in the future. Yeah. It's like because if you gain more knowledge, you'll become courageous to do things. I don't know. Yeah, I'm preparing my dinner. Oh, oh, why? Yeah, I'm going to fry this chicken, breadcrumbs, crumbed chicken, and rice. I don't know how is the weather tomorrow. It's already 10 minutes to 5 o'clock. I don't know if Inigo is coming here because he sent me a message. Actually, I saw a missed call, 3 missed call coming from Inigo, and it was from around 12 o'clock, and I saw it in already 3 o'clock. Yeah, because I was not in my telephone, and my telephone is set to, you know, my telephone, you need to check the inbox, you need to check the missed call to see who called, and it is not appearing. There's no notification. Yeah, so there's no notification in my mobile phone. Yeah, so I don't see you. Ba't ganyan yan? Ano yan?
Tatak yan, tatak.
Ng trabaho?
Hindi, ano yun, long sleeve eh. Regalo long sleeve.
Bakit?
Pangdagdag grocery mo para...
Hindi, madami akong pera.
Seryoso? Wala ka pera? Di tayo yung pera. Tanggapin mo lang to.
Madami akong pera eh. Pwede mo akong binigyan yan.